get this. Go. And he can talk in there. You be like, "What's up, Mr. Mo?"
Does he say Mr. Mo?
It's Mr. Penn, DJ Dora, Mr. Penn and DJ Dora. You gotta talk loud.
You gotta put your mouth to it and speak.
Loud, like scream it. Let the world know.
Say DJ Dora.
Or DJ Bomb Bomb. There you go. Dropping bomb bombs.
Say it's Mr. Mo and DJ Dora dropping bombs.
Oh no, you gotta kill it. You gotta finish it. Do something crazy. You gotta end your set. Oh yeah, break it, smash it like a guitar. Don't do that. Say peace.
Say peace.
You do this?
Do that, Izzy. Say peace.
No? Izzy.
No, she saw that you putting dresses on now.
Can I get a piece?
Izzy, can you say peace?
Can you say peace?
Say peace.
No?
No, she wants to do dresses, that's why.
No.